Alright friends, now let's work on a couple of examples related to the while loop. So we have already learned the basics. Now it's time to practice and reinforce what we have covered. So doing examples is the best way to really understand how loops behave in different situations. So in this lesson we will try printing numbers in a decreasing order. That means we will start from higher number and go down to the lower one. So let's begin with 10 and go all the way down to 1. So what I need to do, I need to change the condition here. What's my initial value? My initial value is 10. So I'm checking the condition if e is greater than 0 or not. So if it is, it will enter to the while loop. I will print 10 at first. So what I need to do, I need to decrease e value. So whenever it goes to the while loop, it enters to the while loop, I decrease e value one by one. So let's check it. I come here, my first value is 10. I'm checking, is 10 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, so it enters to the while loop. I print 10 and then I increase e value. So e becomes 9. I'm checking, 9 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, so it enters to the while loop. I'm printing 9 and I decrease e value. So e becomes 8. So 8 is greater than 0 or not? Yes. So it continues like that. So at the end, e becomes 1. I print 1. I print 1 and then I decrease e value. E becomes 0. So I'm checking. 0 is greater than 0? No. So while loop ends. That's the logic. So I save it. I run it. You see, I printed at first 10. So at the end, I printed 1. So now we have seen both versions, increasing and decreasing. So whether you count up or down depends on the problem you are solving. So what matters most is understanding how the loop works, where it starts, how it continues, and when it ends. Great.